Welcome to our instructional video on simplifying integer exponent problems. In this video, we will be tackling the problem of solving 3 raised to the power of 3 plus 2 raised to the power of 3. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of how to simplify this expression step by step. So let's dive in and start simplifying this integer exponent problem together. Step 1. Let's start by evaluating the expressions 3 raised to the power of 3 and 2 raised to the power of 3 individually. First, consider 3 raised to the power of 3. This means we multiply 3 by itself 3 times. So 3 multiplied by 3 equals 9, and then 9 multiplied by 3 equals 27. Therefore, 3 raised to the power of 3 is 27. Next, let's evaluate 2 raised to the power of 3. This means we multiply 2 by itself 3 times. So 2 multiplied by 2 equals 4, and then 4 multiplied by 2 equals 8. Therefore, 2 raised to the power of 3 is 8. Now we have transformed the original expression 3 raised to the power of 3 plus 2 raised to the power of 3 into 27 plus 8. So the expression has been altered from 3 raised to the power of 3 plus 2 raised to the power of 3 into 27 plus 8. By breaking down the powers, we have simplified the problem to basic addition. Step 2. Now that we have broken down the powers, we can proceed to adding the results. Previously, we transformed the original expression 3 raised to the power of 3 plus 2 raised to the power of 3 into 27 plus 8. Now let's add 27 and 8 together. When you add 27 and 8, you get 35. Therefore, the expression simplified to its final form is 35. So, the final simplified result of the expression 3 raised to the power of 3 plus 2 raised to the power of 3 is 35. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped. And if it did, please drop me a like.